Hi, to set up your brand new iPhone 16e, as a first step, turn it on by pressing the power button on the right side of it and then swipe up to open. So here you need to choose your language, tap it, and then select your country or region. So let's just find United States here, tap it. And now it is set in language, so we need to wait a couple of seconds. Great, now we can choose appearance. So that is default option. We can drag this dot to the right side and switch to medium, or we can drag it again and select large. Let's leave this large option and tap continue. And now if you wanna set up this phone with the help of your old device, you can click here you can just wait till it will scan nearby devices, but to set up as a brand new phone, tap here, set up without another device, and choose your Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna pick mine. Now we need to enter its password. I'm gonna do it quickly behind the scenes, and after that just tap this blue button join and wait a few seconds till you'll be joined to your Wi-Fi's network. And now we are waiting for iPhone activation, so just relax and be patient. Let's continue set up this phone. So as you can see, I got a new update. I can either update it right now or do it later. So let's pick second option. And now you can read about data and privacy. I'm gonna tap continue to skip it. And here, if you're setting up this phone for yourself, then tap this option, this first option. If for your child, then tap second option. Now we can set Face ID, but I suggest you to do it later in settings. So I'm gonna set up later. And now we need to create an iPhone passcode. We can tap on passcode options and switch to different one, or even select to not use passcode. So I'm gonna choose this option and confirm because I wanna create it later in settings. Here, if you did backup on your old device, then you can transfer your apps and data if you want to. So from iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, from Android, or select don't transfer anything. And now you need to sign in your Apple account. If you don't have one, then tap here, don't have an account, and follow on-screen instructions. But I'm gonna sign in, so just enter your email or phone number, tap continue, and enter your password. And after you signed in, you'll need to agree with terms and conditions, so tap agree. And now you'll see this little animation that you're signing in. And here, if you need to unlock your other device, then you'll need to enter its passcode as well. Now we can set up cellular, so you can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. Or there is an option to set up later in settings as usual, so let's choose it. And now we can simply find out more about action button. We can press and hold it to turn silent mode on and off, and we can customize it. So action button is located right here on the left side of your iPhone. You can customize it right away or choose not now and do it later in settings. And now let's tap continue. And that's it, we need to swipe up to get started. But we forgot to insert SIM card, so let me take my SIM card to actually insert it in the phone, I would need to take this tool, which is called ejector, and it goes in a complete with a device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is a really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere, or instead of this one you can use a needle, but be careful because you may damage the slot. Now we need to take a look at the left side of the phone. Here we'll find this SIM tray, and to actually open it, take your ejector, place in this little hole. Then you need to slightly press till it will pop up like that, and take it out using your nails. So this is how the slot looks. And now let's take my SIM card and place it with this rounded corner right here on the rounded corner as well, so it will match. And now we need to put it back in the phone. So let's just carefully do this. Make sure those holes matches as well, and close the tray completely. And now those signal bars should appear in the upper right corner, indicating that SIM card was inserted correctly. Also, you can turn on iMessage and FaceTime. And to check connection, you can go in Settings. Here, find Cellular. And now you can either enable it or disable. Find SIM card PIN and so on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.